What's up, fellas? I am Sebastian, and if you're watching this video, it's because you want to make more money and you want to help your family have an awesome quality of life, which is something very, very, very awesome. Keep up, fellows. Okay, guys, why people buy products or why people buy? Okay, guys, let me ask you something. Did you see this movie, Star Wars? Okay, Star Wars. Did you see it? Okay, and did you see this movie? What is the title? Freiheit. Freiheit. Did you see it? Okay, guys. Most of you will say that you guys saw Star Wars. Okay? You guys will say that you saw Star Wars, but most of you will say that you guys didn't see this movie Freiheit. Okay? But what most of you don't know, it is that this movie, Star Wars and Freiheit, both of them, they were made by George Lucas. You know, they were made by George Lucas. But why did you see Star Wars and then you didn't see Freiheit? Well, you saw Star Wars because Star Wars was a good movie. You know, was a good movie, was a good movie. And Freiheit was really not that good movie. You know, Freiheit was not really that good, that movie. You know, you saw Star Wars because, how can I say, the movie was good, you know, your friend told you, you know, you saw it on television, you saw ads, you know, you saw publicity on the streets, you know, you saw merchandises, you know, you bought, how can I say, when you were a kid, you bought guns, toy guns, you know, with lasers, the saber lasers and all this kind of stuff. You bought all this kind of stuff when you were a kid, you know, but you didn't hear nothing about Freiheit because Freiheit was not that good movie, you know. What am I trying to tell you? Try to tell you here that, you know, most people, they will buy your product because it is good. And how do you know if your product or a particular product is good or not good? You know, you're gonna know that a particular product is good when the product solves a problem, you know. If the product solve a problem, if the product solve a problem, then the product is good. You know, in this case, Star Wars. You know, Star Wars is a movie. You know, what kind of problem that has to solve? It has to entertain people. You know, it has to entertain people. Because the movie entertained people and people liked it, then it solved the problem. That's why the product sold millions and millions and millions and billions of times. You know, this is what it is. When you have to sell a product in the marketplace, now pay attention, pay attention. If you have to solve a problem in the marketplace, make sure that the product is good. You know, in other words, make sure that the product solve a problem that the customer has. You know, this is how you have to do things. You know, if for example your customer it is someone who is a vegetarian, you know, don't go sell meat. You know, don't sell meat to a vegetarian person. He's not gonna buy because meat is not, because that is not the problem that he's trying to solve. You know, he's trying to buy vegetables. You know, you gotta go figure it out, avocados and celeries and all that kind of stuff to sell them. You know, that's how things are done. You know, so make sure when you sell a product, you know, make sure that the product solve a particular problem. Okay, do not sell any products that do not solve problem. You know, go first to the marketplace. You know, see what the problem is, then come back home, manufacture the problem, or manufacture the product, or go buy the product or whatever it is that solve the problem that in the marketplace they are looking for a solution. Okay, this is how you do things. Okay, yeah. Okay, guys, write your comments below and click the like button, and I'll see you in next video, buddy. Ciao.